Good evening, my name is Jasmine King and I am a substitute teacher, and today we will be discussing the special education categories. So if you go into my website, the first thing you will see is my homepage. My homepage has my first and last name as well as the course, the homepage description, my professor's website, as well as my website. Also, you can view my homepage in other languages such as Spanish, Chinese, French, and Russian. If you look on top, you'll see my homepage, my resume, my special education topics, and now special education categories. You can double click it and it will take you right to my special education categories page. Below, it has the description of this page, which is these are the 13 categories of special education. The video that will be explaining the 13 categories of special education, I will put a link down below so you can access the video via YouTube. So if you keep scrolling down, you'll see that it starts with the 13 conditions covered under IDEA. So the first one that they talk about is specific learning disabilities. So under this disability, it has different other disabilities that fall under this group, such as dyslexia and nonverbal learning disabilities. Another one of the 13 categories of special education, is other health impairment. 3, autism spectrum disorder. 4, emotional disturbance. 5, speech or language impairment. 6, visual impairment, including blindness. Number 7 is deafness. Number 8 is hearing impairment. Number 9 is deaf blindness. Number 10 is orthopedic impairment. Number 11 is intellectual disability. Number 12 is traumatic brain injury. And number 13 is multiple disabilities. If you scroll back up to number 1, you'll see that they have a definition that explains exactly what the disability is. I'm not going to read all of them to you, but if you go back to my home page and follow directions to get to this page, you can be able to read each and every definition under the special education disabilities and needs. For any questions or concern, you can go back to my home page, and if you scroll all the way down, for any questions or concerns, comments, you can reach me at my email address, which is jasminekking37@gmail.com. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.